welcome back to my channel, and as you guys heard in the previous video, I said we were gonna do another science experiment, and here it is. And do you guys know something? Science is all over the world, like even all the way to Antarctica, Africa, I don't know, some other country. Science is everywhere, okay? So that's just like a small explanation, and now we're gonna be doing a science experiment, and this science experiment is called instant worms. So what you're gonna need is, first you're gonna need a science experiment kit, National Geographic, and you're gonna need from that is you're gonna need green sodium alginate solution, here it is, and you're gonna need calcium chloride, and you're gonna need a medium scooper, here it is, and you're gonna need a pipette, and you're gonna need a cup, and you're gonna need water, and the most important part is that you have to wear your gloves and goggles. So let's go ahead and just put our gloves on. But guys, this is gonna be even extra good because it can literally glow in the dark. So basically, like at the almost the end of the video, we can see if it glows in the dark or not. Okay, and now let's put our science goggles on. yo, bro. Okay, so first what you're gonna need to do is hood up. Let's move these to a side for a second, and they'll come in handy later. But for now, we're gonna need to fill our cup half. So it's like almost over there, I believe. All right, yeah. So now what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to put the calcium chloride in the water. Okie dokie. Alrighty. And now you're gonna need the medium scooper, and you have to put the calcium chloride on this side of the medium scooper, not this side. You have to put it on this side, like this side right there. So we have to be very careful. Okay, alrighty. That's why we have a tray, so it doesn't like basically make a mess. So now let's put that to a side, and let's pour the calcium chloride into the water. And now we're gonna need to stir. You can take anything to stir with, like a spoon or a stick or something, and we're gonna stir until the mixture is completely dissolved in the water. And meanwhile, while we're mixing, dissolved. And do you know another word for mix? It is basically agitate. So we agitate or mix. I mean, like, it doesn't really matter which word because it's the same meaning. So I mean, like, science is like almost like basically covered the whole entire planet, maybe the whole entire planet. I think like deserts are nature, because basically only deserts have sand, but it is true that the desert has cactuses, right? So it actually counts as science. Okie dokie, smoky wokey. So it looks like the mixture has been dissolved, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the green sodium alginate solution, into the cup. Into the mixture. And also you can put like all of them if you want, but at first let's just do a little at first. Just to make sure it works. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Silly! Dang it! We forgot to open it! Oh well, but meanwhile, when the alginate meets the calcium chloride, the two chemicals react to create calcium alginate, a GUI. So it's basically kind of like a GUI, because when the alginate meets the calcium, the chloride, so basically when the when the alginate meets the calcium chloride, the two chemicals react to create calcium alginate, which is a GUI. So there's an explanation for that. And while she's opening, so far so good. And but guys, make sure you have a grown-up with you, and be sure not to put anything in your mouth or eat it or something, because it's all chemicals. So we're just gonna have to be careful. And the reason why we're wearing these stuff is for safety, because who knows? Because science can be pretty dangerous sometimes when we're doing an experiment. Okay, so now the thing is open. Now let's see if it actually works. But this time, we're gonna do a little this time. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Wait, is it actually working? Whoa! Guys, it's actually working. I think it is. Is it? Whoa, guys, look, it is basically coming up now. Okay. Whoa.
Take the spores. It's cool. I'm trying to take it out and see.
Oh my goodness! It actually works, guys. Look at that. Whoa! That is super cool. And also, guys, you can even take it from your hand. You don't need to wear gloves. You can just literally take it out from your hand. Ready? Whoa, that is so cool. And also, look how long it is. That is so cool. Look at that, guys. Look at, oh my gosh, it is. So guys, here's what it looks like. close up. Whoa. And also look, see? There's even a bubble coming out. Oh, that is so cool. Alright, just a little more. Alright, there we go. And now let's, yo! Hey guys, and also, I didn't tell you, this thing can actually glow in the dark. So how about we try to like turn off the lights and see, yeah, alright. Let's try to turn off the lights. I mean, like, I don't know, like, if I said it at the earlier of the video or at the last. But let's close that light too. And now let's see. Alright, ready? Let's see if it... Oh, like it... Oh! It does! Oh, wow! Wow! Wait. For real life? Oh, yeah! Look, guys. Look at this. Look, it does glow in the dark. Whoa, that is so cool. Okay, here's what it looks like. What in the world? That is so cool. And also, guys, here's what it looks like in the close-up. Like, now you can, like, see, like, a light greenish, which means that it actually glows in the dark. Okay, so now let's turn the lights back on. Now. Okay. Hey guys, so guys, after you're like done playing, do not throw it inside your sink because it is gonna clog your sink. I mean, but either you can put it in a Ziploc baggie and then like save it for later, or you can just like throw it in your trash can. But whoa, guys, look at this. There's a big bubble. Hey guys, but now like try to put like food coloring in it. Let's try, right? I mean, like, it's worth a try, right? But yeah. So guys, here's what it looks like. Again, here's what it looks like. Yo, that is so cool, guys. Look at that. So guys, this experiment is called the instant worms. So this is how to make your instant worms at home. And how about we try to put food coloring in it later. But guys, you can try it on your own. But like, yeah. So, whoa. So this is like extra better because it actually glows in the dark. What in the world? Like, that is so cool. Yo, look at how long this thing is. Yo, look at how long this thing is. Whoa. Okay. Yo. Okay guys, well, that's all for today's video, but if you enjoyed it, be sure you give us a big thumbs up and let's subscribe. If you are new, well, I'm gonna, keep playing with this, but guys, I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.